Have you previously played King's Quest V? Warning, this cartoon contains material that may be necessary for information or clues to complete this game. Please be sure to check your inventory if you decide to skip.
This video is sponsored by Monster Legends.
Hey, somebody order a larger pizza?
I did.
Oh no, I'm dropping a pizza on a little man! It's Taco Tuesday.
Not again!
Where's my money?
Guess whose arms I stole?
You want some spaghetti?
Look, honey. The baby is taking his first
Life.
Broccoli, broccoli, what's he doing today?
He's dead. The end.
Sam, watch out! A poisonous snake!